What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another little install video on the Civic. Not going to be anything crazy today, but we're going to be installing the shift boot collar from Hybrid Racing, just to finally be able to complete the look in the Civic right there around the center console. You guys watched my last video, I got their Hybrid Racing shift knob installed and the throw shifter, and now we're going to get ready to put on the shift boot collar just to tie it all in and have a nice little clean look. And it won't have that chrome factory one there that doesn't even fit right now. It's just flopping around. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is pretty simple. To take this off, you just want to push in your shift boot all the way in so you can kind of pull it out the back end here. I already cut the little zip tie, but this little thick guy brings the zip tie here. Just cut that off, and then you want to push in little chrome part there, and there it is. Got it taken out. Set that to the side, and then here's the new one from Hybrid Racing. Let's see if they have a part number here. Yep, there's a little part number there. I don't know if it's still focus, but that's it. Little shift boot collar. So with this guy, what you want to do is basically the opposite of the other one. This one has a rubber band kind of looking thing. It's not, instead of a zip tie, it's like a band. So you want to take this off, because that's what you're going to use to wrap around the leather part here. You're going to use the band to kind of hold it up against the collar here. So put that there to the side. Then what you want to do is the inside, and just kind of push that out from the bottom. Just kind of push it up. It'll come right out. We'll use that later. That's what you're going to screw into the shift lever there. But before all that, you want to take this guy, I guess position it more or less how you want it. I'm probably going to do it with the letters facing back. So try to get it in there like that. Just push it in. Just try and get it out the back here. Now you don't want to make it go all the way out. You want to leave some material on here on the leather for it to grab onto. Let me just kind of make sure here that it's going to be pretty much where I want it. Yep, that looks pretty nice. That's what it's going to end up looking like. So let me just rotate this a bit so I can get the letters in a more central place. There you go. That looks a lot better there. Maybe a little more. There we go. Too much. Alright, now we're going to push it back through the back again. Pull it out, and then grab your band. And this basically replaces the zip tie that the OEM brings. So we're going to get that around here. A little bit easier said than done. This band is obviously going to fit really snugly. I don't even think that's a word, but you get what I mean. It's going to be pretty snug on here. So just take your time, work with it. You don't want to mess up the leather. Okay, that looks nice there. There's like a base here ring that you'll feel of the collar, like a little metal part. So I just got the ring all the way up to there, as high as I could basically. Alright, that should hold that in place real nice. Just like that, you got the little rubber ring on there. Let's push it back up again. Hopefully it didn't move. Nope, and there we go. It's a nice clean spot, and it won't go nowhere. So now what you want to do is basically put everything back. So go ahead. This is going to be the last part we put in. We'll put this in afterwards. So Let's set that there to the side. And go ahead and put all this back. Make sure I got my cables. That one there. This one back here. And this one here. There we go. Push that back into place. There we go, nice and snug. And get my screws back on. One there. That one. Come here. There we go. And the other one on this side. There we go, nice and snug. Put the plastic trim back on. And push in my wrap, make sure it stays nice and snug. Okay, there we go. So I want to set it and then push from the center here. Push that in, push it on the top. Okay, same thing on this side. You want to just kind of place it on there first. And then push it in, push it in. That's all set. And then the last part down here, get your arm cushions back on. These just pop into place, so quick. Pop it in. There we go. Alright. Now I'm gonna get this guy, and this is gonna screw in all the way down, basically as far as it'll go. And then you take your collar and then you just push up on it. And just like that, it's on there. Go ahead, put your shift knob back on. And there it is, guys. Hybrid Racing shift boot collar. And shifter. Shift knob, I should say. Shifter too. Everything hybrid racing in this guy now. The whole short shifter, the boot collar, and the knob. Looks great in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Quick little easy install. Definitely needed it. Definitely a lot better than what it was before. And just ties it all in and gives it a nice clean look. I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. You know, it's been great. I've been getting, you know, a few subscribers here and there. Also wanted to apologize. Sorry for kind of ghosting you guys. Haven't uploaded anything in about a month, but you know, it's just things have been crazy with all this COVID stuff. You know, between work and family, and just got a lot of things going on. But I'm back. Hopefully I'll get into, you know, doing more regular videos again. I got a lot of things I want to do. I got a lot of things planned. You know, got parts coming in this week actually. So hopefully we can get those and get some more install videos going on. I want to be doing a couple of driving videos as well, because I've gotten a request for those. And I know that'll be fun to do too. So we'll see. I even got me a little suction cup mount for the GoPro to put outside. Hopefully I don't lose it. That would suck. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care and have a great day. Goddamn background noises. Oh, this floor. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Today we're going to be doing another little install in Civic. Something a little bit more...